Wow, what an insane morning. Yep, creek over the bridge, over this one little bridge here. Turning a little something like a river here. Holy crap. So yeah, you can see it, this fall squall is really kicking our butts this morning. Woo! Woo! Hey, yeah, got the intercept on tape. Woo!
You notice how I explained it with the...
Wow. Woo! Wow.